Hey guys, I'm Trent.
I'm Michael.
In this video, we're going to show you guys how to create custom crafting recipes with Skript. Okay, so we just finished writing some other scripts, but all we have on here is Skript. We want to do some custom crafting recipes. What that is like, it's like if you want to have 3 string turn into a diamond.
Yeah,
you can do that if you want.
Great for like cool RPG style servers.
Yes, if you want, yeah, RPG servers. Pay attention. Okay, so we're already on our server. I'm gonna head over to the panel, and unfortunately, Skript doesn't support this by default, so we're just gonna install an add-on called SK Query.
Speaking of add-ons, we're going to be doing a bunch of videos on different add-ons, like what each different Skript add-on can do for you, so pay attention for those coming up. But for this specific video, we're just gonna show one thing that SK Query can do.
Yes, and as you guys were just watching there, I just installed the add-on, and then I'm doing the classic restart server. If you don't know how to install a plugin or how to restart your server, we have videos for that as well.
Yep, check out our playlist, The Basics.
And now we just wait for the tone. All I see is I record these, and then they come out exactly how they should. I don't see the work that goes into them, so. Okay, so our server is back online. I am going to go back over now to the panel, and we're going to go over to the file manager, and we're just going to go find our script file.
My favorite place.
Yep, exactly. So some clicks, and here we are. So we're going to clear this one out, and then I'm going to go over to Adam, and we're going to start editing.
Ooh,
so
new script.
Yes, so a new thing that we're going to show you guys is on load. So this is when this script loads, it can do things. So what we're going to do is just like broadcast custom recipes loaded. Yep, there we go. We're going to do that in a nice green, so it's like success. And then that's it. So we're just going to show that like if you want to do anything, like when the script loads, you can do that. You can have it execute stuff. So we're just going to try that real quick. So we're going to go paste that in. I'm going to go back in game, and I'm just going to do SK reload tutorial. The slab is missing. Okay, there we go. And then custom recipes loaded. Yeah, there it is. So like right as it loaded, that's all it is. It's that,
yep,
it's that
it just broadcast it to everybody on the server.
Exactly. So now we're going to go back over to Adam. Okay, so now that we see that you can do something on load, we're just going to do our recipe in here. And then I'm going to do the recipe before the broadcast. That way, once it broadcasts that it was loaded, past tense, they already happened. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to do... Okay, so we just have to register a new crafting recipe. And the 2 types of recipes are shaped and shapeless. Shapeless is where it can just be in any slot in the thing. Shaped is where it has to be like diamond boots, where it has to be like the 2 on the side or whatever. But
yeah, you have to kind of build it in the
exactly. Like when you're building the, exactly. And we don't want to do that. We're just going to keep it nice and easy to start.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Exactly. So we're going to do register new and then shapeless recipe for 4 string. So what this will do is you can create 4 string, and now what does it take to create 4 string? And we're going to do using, and we're going to do white wool. So what this will do is if you put in a piece of white wool, you'll get back 4 string. But since recipes are 9 things, we want to make sure that it's all, like, we have to account for all the other things in there. So we're just going to do air.
Okay.
Yep, so we're going to do air, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. So that's 9 total things. So now if we put 1 wool in any slot and air in all the other slots, which is obviously by default, it'll come back with 4 string, supposedly. So we're going to go copy this over. We're going to paste it in. I'm going to go in game, and I should see custom recipes loaded. And then I should be able to craft that real quick. So we're going to do SK reload tutorial. Cool. So custom recipes loaded.
Yeah.
I'm going to go grab a block of white wool. Looks like I gave myself one earlier.
Nice.
Because I'm nice to future Trent. I'm going to go in.
Should always be nice to your future self.
Exactly.
So put it in there.
4 string.
Wait, and then, oh, it's gone.
No. That's the crafting part is where it takes one thing and turns it into something else.
I was going to say because you could just like put it in all the different blocks and show how it works.
Oh, yeah. Well, okay, we'll do that one again. Okay, yeah, so let's try that real quick. So I'm going to go in and...
If you just put it anywhere. Yeah, anywhere you get your 4. Doesn't matter where.
But I can't do it in 2 spots because that's not the recipe.
That's not.
But if I do it like that, does it give me more? It gives me a lot.
A lot more.
Nice. That's a lot of string from a lot of wool though.
You could tie up a lot of presents.
Yes, exactly. So you can do shaped or shapeless recipes depending on how advanced you want your players to have to be.
The point is that the possibilities are endless here, and like we talk about tons of RPG style servers, you can make it such that if you collect some sort of stone somewhere, you can just put it into a crafting and then it breaks into smaller pieces. So for example, maybe the currency is like little pieces of coal nuggets or something. So when you go and you mine coal, And then you can just make little cold nuggets and.
Or maybe what you could do is you turn
silver nuggets.
Maybe you turn like 64 cold nuggets into like 1 diamond or something like that. Something crazy.
If you think it, you can script it.
And that's how you create custom crafting recipes with Skript.